Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. Today I've got another beauty treatment for you. Without wasting time, let's just get started. First, I am going to be needing some bentonite clay powder. This is about 2 tablespoonfuls. Next, I'll be needing my favorite skin lotion, and I'll be using Avena. I'll give it a very good mix to form a paste. Now, starting from a very clean face, I will take a little bit of the paste with my clean fingers and put it on my face. I'll just rub the mask on my face till it gets, a good coverage. Don't forget your eye area, don't forget your, chin area as well. This helps treat acne and helps rejuvenate your skin. If you want a smoother, matte skin, this treatment is what you need. The bentonite clay helps get rid of fine lines and, signs of aging. It helps remove clogged pores. Now, even though it helps remove clogged pores and removes the shine from your face, it is not going to dry your skin. I'll leave this on my face for about 20 to 30 minutes or till it dries off. Afterwards, I'll use a mild soap to wash it off. This mask right here is for those with oily skin and acne-prone skin. I must say you can use this on your whole body. You will do it about 30 minutes before your shower and just jump into the shower and have a good bath. So this was a short and easy but very effective mask. I hope I did help you. And if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me with that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.